It's dressmaking time. I'm gonna show you how to do these easy to sew dresses. Let's do it. You'll notice that your fabric comes out of the kit almost the same exact size as your pattern. You have the fabric, it is folded in half. See that? You're gonna place your pattern on top of the fabric, and all you're gonna need to do is to cut out this neckline so that your doll's head can come through. And do a little cut. If you want to make this into a no-sew dress, that's totally cool. All you have to do is slip your doll into the dress now, take the rope, wrap it around the waist, and cinch it. And voila, you've got a dress. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the dress stitching the sides. But before you sew, you need to take your dress and flip it inside out so that your pattern is on the inside and all your stitches will be done on this side. You're going to do a straight stitch from here to here on both sides of the dress. If you have not watched our video on basic stitching, please put me on pause and go have a look so you can learn how to do the straight stitch and the other stitches that you'll need to make your DIY doll kit. Practice and come back. I'll be waiting for you. And don't forget to lock the stitch. Lock it or lose it. So now you see you have 2 straight stitches down the sides. You're gonna take your fabric, your little dress, and you're gonna flip her right side out. Who is it? Look who's in the house, Gita, our model. She's gonna show us how fabulous stars can really look. Now let's get her dressed. We're gonna put the dress on starting from the bottom and we're gonna shimmy, shimmy, shimmy all the way up. Get her arms in. Now if you look at it this way, it's kind of like a kaftan, which is cute. But I like when it's cinched a little in the waist, I'm going to use this rope that comes in the Talking Heads Dumyé DIY Doll Kit. You can also use embroidery thread or ribbon or scraps of fabric, whatever you like. But I'm going to take this and tie it around her waist. Now what do you guys think? Gita, how do you feel in stars? Tell us. Amazing! High five. Now make sure you check out the rest of the DIY doll kit clothing video tutorials so that you can make a whole wardrobe for your doll. And you can always head to dumye.com for more inspiration to get you going.